have reached this point called Fisheries Jetty. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about Deltin Royal Casino. So we have reached Fisheries Jetty here. So from here we have to take a feeder boat and that will take us to Deltin Royal. So let's get going. Lot of confusion here. No idea where is Deltin Royals boarding point. क्या है देखो ये है Deltin. He was right. See, this is Deltin Royal. Okay, we have now reached the entry point of Deltin Royal. So from here they'll take us to the cruise. Deltin Casino, which is Asia's largest floating casino, which has 5 floors, and it's basically a cruise. It was heavier on the pocket though, but yes, we want to experience it. We booked the tickets through Royal Deltin's website. The package starts from 3,000 per person, goes to 4,000 and 5,000. The only difference between 3,000, 4,000 and 5,000 package is the choice of alcohol. In 4,000 package you get more options of alcohol. 5,000 is much more options of whiskey and other alcohol. So we went with the 3,000 package because the food is same in all three, doesn't matter. We had booked the casino. If you don't book the casino, there are so many other options available here also. But we didn't want to risk it, so we booked and came. You'll have to require 2 doses of COVID vaccine. You need to show them that, or you need to have a negative RT-PCR test. Only then you will be allowed inside. He is security supervisor Digambar of Deltin Royal. He checks the temperature and also he checks if there is mask. Only then he allows. So it was very nice meeting him. So we had booked online.
Vaccination certificate and ID proof.
Okay. To go into a security checking, so they would check our bags and only then would let us in. After that there was a waiting area where we had to wait for a feeder boat to arrive. That would take us to the Deltin Royal cruise. So we were checked for temperature, we were asked for COVID certificate and also ID proof. Only then this was booked and then we were allowed inside. So now we can go. As you enter, you get level 1, which is more like a trial version of the gaming area. So you can learn to play the game before you go on level 3, which is the actual gaming area, and start playing. basically gamble. Level 1 is where you learn how to play those games. They are exact replica of whatever actual games are. Level 2 is the restaurant area where there is buffet spread of veg and non-veg. Also there are live performances going on there. Also a bar which will serve you alcohol. Level 3 is the actual gaming area which has the casino, tash room where you play cards. This is the entry. This is level 1. The gaming area. Outside that you can click pictures. And there are certain other spots where you cannot click pictures. So there are other spots as well here. You cannot click pictures or videos there. Gaming area is one of them. On 3rd floor and 5th floor on the sky bar is where you can click pictures. The gaming area consists of lots of games like Andar Bahar, guessing where the wheel will stop, spin the wheel, and so many more. So we could not unfortunately click any pictures or videos there. You want to come in the video? What's your name? Okay. This is level 2. Level 1 is casino, card room and Young Turks. Level 2 is Vegas restaurant and whiskey lounge. Level 3 is casino, tash. Level 4 is club 4 and level 5 is sky bar. Level 4 is the whiskey lounge. To level 4 is exclusive only for Delton Royal members. I hear that the membership costs 2 lakh. Only members allowed. So this is only members allowed. So इसमें क्या है level 4 में क्या है?
Only club members इसमें
गेमिंग होता है क्या?
हाँ गेमिंग है सेम नीचे जैसा गेमिंग है लेकिन इसमें नो लिमिट बड़ा गेमिंग होता है।
ओहो आपका नाम सर? हाँ YouTube चैनल है। आपका नाम?
प्रोसेस बड़ा
Okay.
फ्रॉम असम।
He's from Assam. Sky bar. Here definitely videography is allowed. Lot of live music. Wow. Level 5 is the sky bar on the top of the cruise. It's open area where live performances will be going on. There's also a bar and also another snacks counter where it's unlimited food in all the restaurant as well as. This is the 5th floor. Under the sky. We have live performances going on here.
Veo el calor de tu mirada.
doesn't feel like we are on water. Seriously, it doesn't feel like it's in between the ocean. Feels like you're in some five-star hotel with 5 floors. We reached room. It's 1:30 in the night. We drove from Panji to Kalangut. Extremely tired. It was a great day and great evening at Delton Royal. We reached there around 7 o'clock and we were there till around 1 o'clock, I guess. Time lot of live dancers, live programs, live songs, great food. Also for people who drink a lot of alcohol options and lot of gaming, casinos, gambling, and so many things. We were watching everything. People losing money, people winning money. So both of us did not put money on any of the games. We did not play any game. So again, this video is not promoting gambling or anything of that sort. This is just for entertainment purpose. Yes, I hope you enjoyed Delton Royal along with us. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.